Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. This is my read along series of Alan's Keynote and today's remedy is Aethusa Cynapium. As we all know the remedy Aethusa Cynapium, it is also known as fool's parsley, that is a common name, and it belongs to the family Umbelliferae. The constitution of Aethusa is a remedy which is specially given in children during dentition in hot summer weather and children who cannot bear milk. Mentally, these children will be idiotic and have incapacity to think or are confused. So here, idiocy means stupidity. Physically, there will be great weakness. Children cannot stand, unable to hold up head, similar to what we have seen in abrotanum. There will be great prostration with sleepiness, especially after vomiting and after stool and also after any kind of spasm. There is complete absence of thirst, which is similar to Apis pulsatilla, reverse of Ars. So complete absence of thirst, that is thirstless remedy. Face, there will be an expression of great anxiety and pain with a drawn condition and well-marked linea nasalis. Features are expressive of pain and anxiety and there is hepatic eruption at the end of the nose. Gastrointestinally, we'll see there is indigestion of teeth in children, so especially given in children during dentition when there is violent, sudden vomiting of a frothy, milk-white substance or yellow fluid followed by curdled milk and cheesy matter. There is regurgitation of food an hour or so after eating and there will be copious greenish vomiting. Intolerance of milk, cannot bear milk in any form. It is vomited in large curds as soon as it is taken. Then weakness causes drowsiness. It is compared to Macarb. In nervous system, we will see that there is epileptic spasm with clenched thumb, red face, eyes turned downwards, pupils fixed and dilated, foam at the mouth and jaws are locked. Pulse is small, hard and weak. So it is one of the best remedies for epilepsy. Moving on, let's see what are the modalities. So aggravation is after eating or drinking and after vomiting, after stool or after spasm. And amelioration, again, it is different for different symptoms. The remedy is similar to antimony crude, arsenicum, calcarea and sanicula. So that's all about Aethusa. If you have any doubts or you have any comments, suggestions for me, please mention in the comment section below so that I can improve my video making skills. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. Thank you.